everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the dark come to light. Get on my level. Think I'm finna stop going when I turn 27.
How much champions doing? We gonna make winning plays every day. So something I wanted to go over in this video was like the main reason I make these videos is because me, I didn't have no one to tell me this stuff. When I was coming up, a lot of this stuff I had to learn myself, and I wish I would have had somebody tell me slow down, learn, invest. What's the difference between an investment and an asset, and that you want to invest into investments and not invest into assets, because if you invest into an investment, you'll have that. If you know, assets don't produce investments in most cases. Assets appreciate over time, and that's a whole nother thing. I didn't have nobody to tell me this kind of stuff. I had to learn this myself through a lot of the people that I listen to on YouTube. So the way to pay all this back is for me to do the same thing that they did for me, do it for somebody else. So keeping it going. So, you know, and as time went on, seeing these people are still pushing content out years later, because I've been kind of on this information for a long time, and it's important to get information from multiple people. Like, you know, I still listen to a lot of Dave Ramsey. I believe a lot of what he says is extremely strong and everything else. Like, you know, he has a very unique delivery, but he has a very positive message in what he's talking about. So if you don't know who he is, I'll put a link in the description so you can see who he is and what he's talking about. You might not like it, but what he's talking about is real stuff. But, you know, I disagree with his take on cryptocurrency. I believe that, you know, we need to get into a new way, because here's why. Like, money, like, who's really dominating with money is the smallest percentage of people. And it's like, the reason why is because the people that got it, they're not trying to, you know, the main top people, you know, they're not really sharing a lot of information or whatnot, because they're trying to keep their position. So, you know, the people that are thriving in the regular fiat system are the same people, and I'm looking to change that. Like, if I could open people's minds up to look at new opportunities, you know, I'd rather them look up to new opportunities. Being able to communicate and collaborate with people, as you guys see with the interviews, you know, I'm doing that. Interviewing, man, interviews kicked up. Got a new interview coming out real soon. Nephew Ken, shout out to him. His interview's coming out. Putting that together right now. Taking care of the editing process. I'm editing it. I'm putting it together. He's really going hard with his music, with his influence and everything like that. So shout out to him. I believe the last episode of my interview with Coach DeCasas just came out today, I believe. Big interview with him. Derek Hill, dog trainer out of Las Vegas, Nevada. Big interview with him came out a few weeks ago. The full interview is dropping tomorrow, I believe. And then we have who is it? Jay Gaines, right? Music artist, originally from Southern California area, living out of country, but doing great with his music. And then we have Duck Williams. Completed a great interview with him. Like I say, it's just gonna get bigger and better. You know, it's gonna keep doing what we're doing. We're not stopping. Shouldn't be, and not going to. We're gonna continue. I'm gonna continue to give this knowledge to the world, as this platform is the key way to do it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna continue to drop this knowledge. So everybody be on the lookout for future videos, future information that I'm gonna be giving everybody. You know, gotta be willing to think outside of the box. So that's a video that I'm gonna make for everybody. You know, you gotta think outside the box. You know, you don't always have to have money. Get that out your head. Get out your head that you need money to be successful. No, you don't. You need to think outside the box mentality, and you need to be creative. If you could do those two things, there you go. You will change your life. But we need to have a new conversation on what money is. Like, that's gonna be one of the, on my next videos, I'm gonna put that out. So be on the lookout for that. So, got a lot of content coming, everybody. Stay tuned, stay on the lookout. Because it's coming fast. When I'm in slow traffic like this, I can do videos. Like, traffic's getting ready to kick up. I'm maneuvering around on freeways. You know how it goes, Southern California. You know how it gets out here. Ain't no joke, ain't nothing to play with. But at the same time, we're gonna make moves. We're still gonna make it happen. Regardless, period. Still gonna do our thing with it. Still gonna make it happen though. Everybody stay focused, stay dedicated, right? I do this for the people. I don't matter if it's one person that needs to hear this. I do it for you. So just know I do it for you. And if you get a chance to support, or or you want to say something, get in the comments, because I'm doing this for you. I'm doing this because you need somebody to listen to. You need somebody that's understands some of this stuff, that's learned something. And I'm here for you. So know that I'm here for you. Content is always gonna be here forever. And it's just gonna continue to get bigger and stronger, and it's just gonna continue to do the things that it needs to do for you to succeed. Ultimately, I want you to succeed. You listening to this, I want you to succeed, and that's what this content is here for. It's here for you, and it's always gonna be here for you. So, proud to be able to bring it to you. Stay focused, stay dedicated, stay winning, stay accomplishing things. We only gonna get better. We only gonna stay more focused. More content coming down the lookout.
Check, living my life with no regrets. Ain't tryna impress, but finish it less. No feeling, no ceilings. Touching the sky, I fly over buildings. You sexual healing, the ground I'm tilling. I'm planting the seeds, I'm reaping the millions. Hard labor, yeah, I put in the work. They all